Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss national income accounting, the circular flow of national income. First, in this topic, the learning objectives. First of all, after complete these topics, you will be able to analyze the circular flow of income, and also you will be able to discover the flow of income in various sectors, and then understanding the different sectors of the economy. Now let's we start this circular flow of income. The first question arises ki what is circular flow of income? Circular flow of income refers the unending flow of the activities, economic activity like as production, income generation, and expenditure involving the different sector of the economy. The activity which arise in the different sectors. These are the unending. That's why it is called a circular flow. Circle means the round. The flow means unending activity. So the activity which is unending related to the income, production, income generation, productions, and expenditure that involved in a different sector of the economy is called a circular flow of income. Circular flow of income we divide in a two part. One is the real flow or a product flow. Real flow means it refers only the flow of goods and services across different sector of the economy. And if you want to prepare a diagram, it shows by inner flow of the uh, diagram. And what is real? In real means there is a no introduction of money here. Only the goods to goods exchange, like as in a barter system. In barter system, people exchange goods to exchange, and one will provide the goods, the second will maybe provide services or goods. So in the same way, in the real flow or product flow, the flow of goods and services across different sectors of the economy. There is a no money introduction here. The second flow is a money or monetary flow or a income flow. It refers to the flow of money across different sectors of the economy. And in the diagram, when we prepare the diagram, it shows by the outer flow. It means under this flow, the money will be introduced. The people will exchange the goods from the money. When the money will move from one sector to the another sector with the exchange of the goods. So this is the money flow and the real flow. Now, circular flow of income identity. It means in circular flow, it is the unending process. So the three activity like as a production, income generation, expenditure, both are equal. That's why we show that production is income and expenditure. If you produce the goods, then some people will spend, we distribute the goods or distribution of income, and then they expenditure. So these are the identity of the circular flow. Now we have four sector in the economy. One is the household sectors, second is the producer sectors, third is the government sectors, and then the rest of the world. But in our syllabus, only the two sector flow model is there. So we will discuss only two sector flow models. In two sector, only the household sectors and then the producer sectors. So first of all, we will discuss assumption of this models. When we uh, explain this model, then what are the assumptions of this model? First is there is only two sectors in the economy, namely household and producer. There is no other sectors, only two sectors is there. So household and producer, and the people will exchange the goods from the two sectors. The household spend their all income. It means there is a no saving. If they earn, then they spend. Third is no government in the domestic economy. It means there is a no government interventions here. Only there is a no government. And the fourth is the closed economy. It means economy is here closed. It means there is a no export and import of the goods with the other country. The closed and open two type of economies there. In open economy, maybe the country have relation with the another country, but in closed economy, there is a no export and import. There is a no trade relation with the another country. So, with the help of these assumptions, we can explain this model, the circular flow of two sectors model. First, we are taking a household sectors. Second is farm or a producer sectors. Uh, the producer sectors provide goods to the household sectors, and this we will show by this arrow. The firms or maybe the producer sector provide the goods to the household sectors, and then household provided factor services, like four factors are there: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. The four factor services which provide like as a maybe land, labor, or maybe the capital, etc. Uh, then this is only the real flow. If we will not introduce any money here, so this is a real flow model in which goods to goods exchange is that household provide factor services to the producers and producers provide goods to the household sectors. But when we involve in money here, it means the money flow. Then if household provide a factor services to the firms, then firm will provide a reward for that, like wages, rent, interest, and profit. If they provide factor services, then they provide reward for the factor services. And the producer sector provide goods to the household, then they will provide payment for that consumptions. It means they will consume, then they will provide a payment to the firms. So in this way, this they will exchange with the money in the money flow. Now the one in money flow, one another sector is also there, that is the financial sectors or financial market. So in that sector, both the sector will transact. Maybe the household sector save money in the financial markets, and then the firm or they will invest in the financial market, invest in the firms. Okay, so in this way, they will also transact with the financial market. Sometimes the producer sector and the household sector both also take loan from these sectors, so that maybe we can involve. So in this way, we can explain the circular flow models. Uh, uh, when we explain this, we keep one thing must we keep in the mind. The arrow we will put as in the right directions. Like the firm is providing goods to the household sector, so arrow should be on that side only. Like as a wages, rent, interest, and profit provided in this side, so that arrow should be on this side. Now, some leakage and injections. Leakages mean some drawbacks, some goods activity which reduce the flow, and some injections means some activity which contribute in the flow. So that is the leakages and injections in the economy. First, uh, leakages refer to flow variable which cause contractions or a negative impact in income generations, like as a saving, tax, import, etc. Like if we save money, so it means we are not spending money. If one people spend money, that is the income of the another people. So saving is a leakages in the economy when it will stop the flow. The tax also a leakages, because if government impose tax, then they reduce the purchasing power of the peoples. So that also leakages. The import is also leakages, because that money will not circulate in the economy. That will as a import payment went to the another country. Now the injections, it refers to the flow of variable which cause additions or a expansions or a positive impact on the income generation process, like investment, government purchase and export, subsidies, discovery of new resources, advancement in technology, etc. It means the activity which impact a positive impact on the income generation, that is called an injection. Like investment, if we invest money, the expenditure, then that will generate more income. Government purchase, then it will also contribute in the flow of the goods and services. If we export the goods, then we will receive money, and then also again we will produce the goods and export the goods. So in this way, that will be contribute in the flow of income. So these are the injections and leakages. Now the one last questions arise here: why flow of income is called a circular? The circular flow we already have discussed. So why it is called a circular? Circular flow means flow which has no end. So which roll on and on flow of income. So because producers always need a factor services and household always need a household goods. So both will provide goods and services to each other to satisfy their want. So that's why the activity of production and income generation expenditure never stop in any level. So that's why it is called a circular. It means it is never ending a process. Thank you.